So now what we want to do is talk about the Venmo cards. Now our Venmo cards are going to be over here on the bottom section of the app itself. And so we're going to tap over here and we're going to see that there are different Venmo cards. And what we want to talk about here today is the Venmo debit card and all the benefits and features that it has. So you can see right over here, our current balance with Venmo is 0. And that's actually what we currently have available to spend with our Venmo debit card. Now, anything that you have in your Venmo account will automatically be available to use on this Venmo debit card. So just something to keep in mind. You can see that this is going to be a MasterCard itself, and this will be a full-fledged account where you can use it either in stores or online. And you do get a physical card that can be delivered directly to your home. It does have the chip feature as well, so just something to keep in mind on there. And then they do have debit card offers where you can shop and actually earn cash back, similar to like other versions of cards that offer this, whether it's with credit cards or even other debit cards. So what we could do is actually tap over here on the little icon here so we can see some information on our card. So first and foremost, we're actually ordering a new card because ours just expired. But once you get your card in the mail, you can actually activate it right away. If you want to add money to your Venmo balance because it's at 0, you can do that from this page too. You can also set up balance reloads. So if you get to a certain amount, it'll just automatically do that for you. And you can also even set up alerts for having a low balance. Now you could technically set up direct deposit with this, so your money just goes in here directly. Now Venmo does also have card offers, so using their debit card can actually save you money at different locations. So you can hit explore all. So as an example, you can get 10% off at Adidas, as well as so many other retail stores. Now the Venmo debit card is entirely free for you, so it doesn't actually cost you anything to have the debit card. It doesn't cost you anything to keep a balance on there, so you can be at 0 and not have any charge on there. So something to keep in mind. So you can see the balance reload section is toggled off, so you can turn that on if you wanted to. You can see your card number. You can actually even change your PIN directly in the app. You can also disable the card temporarily if you, let's say, lost it or just don't want to use it for a little while. And then you can also get the routing and account number if you wanted to go ahead and do direct deposit. Now, another feature with the Venmo debit card is you can actually add this to your Apple Pay or your Google Pay account once the card has come in physically in the mail and use it directly with your wallet digitally. Now, you can add your Venmo debit card on your Amazon account if you wanted to, or you could actually link up your Venmo account directly to Amazon without even a debit card. And to learn how to do that, check out my video right over here on screen.